When I was a child, I afraid of doctors. So if I pain or something, I wait and got some pain medicine and end with the remover. So I didn't really take care of them, and so I ate cherry and I broke tooth in the front. So that was last call. So and I decided I need to do something. I start here with the bottom one because bottom one was done. Other people not good, and I was crying, screaming. I used bad words, but I met with Dr. Jenkins in his office, in his staff, and they start to work with me. I'm not worried to go anywhere. I'm not worried to talk. I'm not worried to eat, meet with the people, meet with the friends, and smile again. So, my sister, my brother-in-law, which we fight all the time, he said, "What did you do? How you clean your teeth?" I said, "I will not tell you." So the whole family love it really. So, and me too. You can tell I'm smiling.